Forget the dusty shelves of traditional e-commerce. Today's marketplace is a bustling bazaar, where ambitious entrepreneurs like you can build empires. By partnering with powerhouse third-party sellers, here are 6 ways that will give you an edge over your competition. 1. Incentives that ignite growth. Ditch one-size-fits-all discounts and generic marketing. Small businesses crave targeted marketing tools they can't afford on their own. Sprinkle your platform with strategic Google ad placements, product collaborations with subscription boxes, and exclusive deals with hyper-local delivery partners. These become the irresistible bait that hooks sellers and their customers into your online marketplace. To a frictionless onboarding, a streamlined path to success. Imagine a seller's frustration: endless sign-up forms, confusing instructions, and technical roadblocks. Keep things intuitive and efficient. Minimal fees, seamless inventory integration, and dedicated onboarding support are your secret weapons. Let sellers launch within days, not weeks, and watch your marketplace become their digital haven. 3. Brand synergy, the winning formula. Forget the generic approach. Niche marketplaces like yours have a secret weapon: targeted brand alignment. Tailor your design, values, and marketing to resonate with specific seller types. Become the perfect matchmaker for both sellers and customers. This targeted approach fosters a thriving community where everyone feels valued and understood. 4. Marketing that mesmerizes. Don't just shout platform features from the rooftops. Weave a captivating narrative. Use targeted social media campaigns to reach ideal sellers. Showcase your platform's growth with engaging live events, impactful video testimonials, and inspiring success stories. Remember, sellers want to see their own potential customers flocking to your marketplace. Show them the magic you can create together, and they'll be eager to join your digital community. 5. Trust and transparency. Building a fortress of loyalty. Sellers need assurance. Be the champion of transparency and trust. Clearly communicate payment cycles, fees, and dispute resolution policies. Offer easy-to-understand terms and conditions, readily available customer support, and a listening ear for both sellers and their customers. This builds a fortress of trust, attracting and retaining loyal vendors who become valuable partners in your growth. 6. Security that shines. Data breaches and security lapses are the ultimate marketplace nightmare. Shield your platform with the most advanced security protocols, trusted payment providers, robust data encryption, and vigilant security measures. Remember, a secure platform is a thriving marketplace. By wielding these potent strategies, you can transform your marketplace into a vibrant hub, attracting top-tier third-party sellers and fueling your business growth. Share your experiences and challenges with attracting third-party sellers in the comments below.